Wait till next night to mark them. You guys are making this weird. Hello, Sophia. Hello, Ninelli. Hello, Malaya. It's not my birthday. Damn, so we got. What do you mean they could be confusing me? Yeah, this is the new doll culture of Alexandra.
Huh?
It's not my birthday. Sized nipples or sized penis.
What?
Or did you open
We're
the
playing
door?
with dolls, Penguin. It's not. Okay, I'm gonna go get fruit. I'll be right back.
Happy
Thank you for the 1,000 biddies. It's not my birthday. My birthday's in October. Thank you so much, though, Germs.
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots,
Libra for me, Nady Poo?
chicken,
What do you mean? I was playing games and gaslighting chat to say happy birthday. When in October? The 13th. Felix cumpleaños. Fruit punch. Yes, I'm having it with my Oikos non-flavored Greek yogurt. Okay. Thank God. So we can leave the cannon. Low-key, I was not ready to take all the cannon people off.
What's the point of anything?
happy birthday to me, happy
Hello,
birthday
Rag.
to you, happy 40th.
Luke has been shot. Was he? Did we already report that? They do like fireworks, yes.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh,
Luke and Molly have been shot. Turned around and one of them just put you in a chokehold. One of the dolls. I'd shit myself. There are. Because clearly this one likes fireworks.
That's right.
Also.